carry over amount of 2,067,000 and they're off. Early lead is taken by Gypsy Gray from the outside. Bonus Gem in between horses is Elgin Chairman, and on the outside is Dancing Storm. Heading for the back stretch, it is still Gypsy Gray in the lead, followed by Bonus Gem, running in second by the rail by 2.5 lengths. Dancing Storm in third by 3.5 lengths, and bringing up the rear, Elgin Chairman. Into the back stretch, it is still Gypsy Gray by 3.5 lengths, followed closely by Bonus Gem on the outside in second, and closing in third is Dancing Storm, Elgin Chairman. The mid-back stretch, Gypsy Gray by a length and a half, followed by Bonus Gem on the outside in second, and closing in third is Dancing Storm, and bringing up the rear is Elgin Chairman. Nearing the far turn, it is still Gypsy Gray by 2.5 lengths, and moving up now by the rail is Dancing Storm, Bonus Gem on the outside, and Elgin Chairman. The far turn, it is still entry number 4, Gypsy Gray in the lead, followed by Dancing Storm in second by the rail, moving up on the outside, Bonus Gem and Elgin Chairman. The last bend for home, it is still Gypsy Gray in the lead, followed now by entry number 3, Dancing Storm, now moving up on the inside. And into the home stretch, Dancing Storm on the inside, in between horses, Gypsy Gray and Bonus Gem on the farther outside. But it's still Dancing Storm in the lead, followed by Gypsy Gray, and on the farther outside is Bonus Gem. But it's still entry number 3, Dancing Storm, followed by Gypsy Gray and Bonus Gem on the farther outside. And finally, at the payoff line, it's entry number 3, Dancing Storm, Bonus Gem, Gypsy Gray, Elgin and Chairman.